Nói là ảnh tháo hết ra, chị có
We're
kiếm
gonna
được một
grab.
cái chỗ, bây giờ chị sẽ
We're
có
heading
người
over to our new apartment.
giao qua bên đó người ta giặt, mà chị xin hết để coi coi người ta dọn như thế. Có gì là gia cụ rất là sạch, rất là kỹ.
Understand anything she said?
Dạ, thành ra bây giờ chị qua bên đó rồi
Not a
bây giờ chị
word.
sẽ ấy rồi. Coi coi như thế nào. Right now.
Who's on his way?
David's on his way right now.
Okay.
But
It sounds like he's sleeping.
Oh no, he's studying. He called me at 6:30 in the morning.
Okay.
He's like, what are you doing? I'm like,
6:30 in the morning.
yeah. I'm like, I'm getting ready to go play pickleball.
Yeah. So we're on our way to our new apartment. We are heading up north. So right behind us there is the beach. Okay, it's Mike Beach. And we're heading up to the Sontra area. So this is our new apartment. Found it a couple of days ago. And we like it. And so management has been really responsive to some of the requirements or the requests that we have. And one of the requests is to remove the curtains from the windows so that we can send them out to the cleaners. Now, that's a pro tip. If you're renting a space here in Vietnam or anywhere for that matter, good idea would be to, before you move in, have the curtains removed and send them to the cleaners. You know, because chances are they haven't been cleaned at all since they've been put up.
Yeah.
So you want to get that taken care of right away before you move your stuff in, because in that way it's not, you know, coating your things. If you try to clean it after you moved in, it's going to be a pain in the ass. But, you know, it's so reasonable to get this work done. The curtains and then the sheer curtains and then the heavy curtains, total cost is going to be 250K Vietnamese dong, which is basically $10. And then we got to pay one of the Grab or one of the drivers or take the curtains over to the cleaners. That's about 50K for that. So 300K to have your curtains cleaned. Hey, the cleaners will rehang them for us. Is that right?
Well, management is going to do that for us.
Management's going to do that for us. So 300K to get those curtains cleaned before you move in. It's great.
Absolutely worth it.
You know, yeah, worth it, and everybody should do it. Even, you know, you can ask management to do it, or do it yourself. But $10, very fair.
Yeah.
Very fair. And you'll think, you know, thank yourself later.
You tend to have a lot of allergies. Like you've been getting a lot of sinus infections and stuff.
Yeah.
We recommend that, and make sure that you tell them to clean the filters of the AC. You know, make sure it's cleaned well. And if they don't do a really good job of cleaning, you can always hire somebody to come in to clean. And the price here is just really inexpensive, and it's so well worth it.
Yeah, and then so we're just gonna check out the apartment now that we asked them to remove some furniture and then patch up and paint things to, you know, just kind of get it ready for a new tenant to come in. And they've been responsive. Very responsive. So, you know, which is always a good sign.
Yes.
So, you know, if they do that without, you know, balking or pushback, that's nice.
Yes.
Yeah, because then that's going to be a good relationship that we can, you know, keep going and build upon. So we're on our way. It's about, I don't know how
10 minutes from where we are.
Yeah, 10 minutes from where we currently are. So give you an idea where we are in Da Nang on beach side. So we're still on the beach side. And a lot of these hotels, you've seen them in other videos.
Yeah.
Parasail, those are popular. Beach is right across this way, it's behind me. So very popular. I mean, very busy this way. And so you still get a nice mix of, you know, expats and locals. You know, we're looking forward to being in this area because when we walked around the other night, it's just tip of the iceberg. So much to see.
Yeah.
Big hotels being built. That's the Wyndham right here. It's a nice hotel right here too. I like the shape of this hotel, how it uses the property, the Nalod, N-A-L-O-D. A lot of building, a lot of growth, a lot of teardowns.
Here we are.
God, it's even closer to the beach than our other location.
Yep. How crazy is that?
Yeah.
We were like 10 minutes. Now we're
Yeah.
like at 5 minutes. And we have a pool up on top.
Yeah. Local seafood. So it's a little further away from our pickleball group, but no problem.
There's a lot of pickleball courts on this side.
All right, this is a side entrance. You actually walk through the spa. That would be the main entrance. So it's called a Maple Suite.
It used to be, but now they turned it into an apartment.
Yeah, we're on the 3rd floor. That's it. So that's our unit right here. Hi, hello. So all the curtains came down.
Hi, Am.
They took the couch out. Then they got to take this out, and then they're gonna have to paint. So some of that needs to be touched up. They're gonna take those items out. We don't need that washing machine. We don't need that rack. And this is the main bedroom. Lots of natural light. Now those are fixed panes, so there's not a whole lot of ventilation coming in from here, but you got this balcony. So the balcony opens right onto the bedroom, and they took the desk out, which is good. So that door opens to the bathroom, but we're not going to use that door. They're going to remove the TV. You got some painting that needs to be done there. So touch up a lot of places, that area here, that area. Not sure what we're going to do with the wall, but it does have a light behind that headboard, which is kind of cool. And then, this is a small little kitchenette. Now, there's a light switch here. Okay. Oh, you need a key card in there. So bathroom, serviceable. Got a big shower. Oh, no shower door. So we have to do something about that, no shower door. And this, of course, opens to the bedroom, but we're not going to use it that way. Got some closet space here, not a lot, but we don't have a whole, we'll hang whatever we can there. And then the nice thing is that sink has hot water.
Which is very rare.
So you have that window, sunburst window, that's freaking awesome. Okay. And then here's a balcony. So beach is right there, like basically 2 blocks. So a lot closer than we were in the other place. That's a nice building there. Once you're here, then you can start to look around and see if there's something even better. But look at this. I like this because you got all this shade. And so that's where the beach is. So the sun rises from the east and sets behind us in the west. We don't have any windows on the west side. So that's going to be nice. So yeah, so that's what we're looking at. We're going to have those things removed. We're going to have that TV stand and TV in the living room removed. We're going to have the TV in the bedroom removed here on that wall. And just, touch up paint to cover, clean up some stuff. And then, again, I talked to you guys about the, all the curtains. So that got removed and it's going to be clean. So it's going to be sent out. Do you need to take those off or they take them off?
Oh, no, he can do it for me, but I was going to help him too.
Okay.
He was going to do everything for me, but I'm like, no, they've done a lot already. Never complain.
Yeah.
They're going to take out the washing machine too.
Okay, and that rack.
Absolutely.
And the TVs and that thing.
Yes, it's all going to go.
They could keep this table here.
Yes.
Yeah. So, we do have a couch. We're trying to sell it. It's an L shape. It'll fit. It'll fit. It'll be tight. Got my rocking chair, my recliner. It'll be right there.
Your grandpa chair.
My grandpa chair. AC works well. So nice. We're happy with it. Okay, so we're walking down the street from our apartment. It's really nice over here. Sidewalks are wide. Beach is so close. There's lots of places to drink. Trying to find a place to eat. Maybe back that way would have been better, but we'll find a place. In the meantime, just gonna check everything out. Check out the neighborhood. Durian, you can smell that stuff a mile away. What's the name of this street? This is a busy street. Yeah, it's just off the beach road on the buildings. Look how wide these sidewalks are. Yeah, so walking in the evening, in the morning, it's gonna be easy. Right here, Home Nin. We're still looking for a place to eat. They got a lot of this Wanyao. It's like drinking places. A lot of markets. It's a great place to be. Man, it's like the best of both worlds. You got the hustle and bustle and the flavor of living in Vietnam with the wide sidewalk, lots of buildings, lots of apartments, billiards. So you don't lose the sense of being in Vietnam. We looked at some really newer builds which are located across the river, and they're more targeted towards a Western rental. Yeah, we could. Well, we can go there and try that.
Or if you want to go, they have like family food, like rice, fish.
Yeah, I'd like rice.
Want some rice?
Yeah.
Then let's go. There's a bar and burger.
Okay. So we found a place to eat. Hold on, babe. Traffic.
From your time. Remember, avoid these big cars coming at you. The motorbikes will maneuver around you. Don't try to outrun those tour buses.
Yeah.
They're not ideal.
Chinese food, kangaroo bar and burger. Ooh, avocado sandwich. Let's do this.
Avocado sandwich?
I don't know. Let's try this. I don't know. Let's look at the menu.